Hello there, lovely people. Amidst this lush green environment, I'd like to announce something really beautiful for me as well as for all my lovely readers, and that is that finally I've completed another book of mine, which is Descending Ascension, and it is going to be out soon. And as I see this staircase and I sit on it amidst this green forest, I feel like talking about it. And this book, so it's fiction for those who do not believe in meditation. It's philosophy for those who are searching for light. And it's meditation for those who find it close to their hearts and who allow my words to sink in their souls. And I've always believed that souls are there, souls are present, and our life is but for a journey of the soul from the bottom of the staircase to the topmost area. And that's what ascension is. But trust me when I say this, once you start walking up the staircase, you inevitably have to lose a lot. You have to lose the unnecessary luggage that you're carrying, the baggages which do not serve you, maybe a few travelers along, and that's a form of loss. But would you not climb up being afraid of the loss, or would you climb up nevertheless because you know that there is God who awaits you? That's what my book is about. It's philosophy, it's poetry, it's meditation, it's fiction, it's everything that you can find in it. And I'd add up upon that and say that I've never written to educate my readers. I've just written to make you feel so deeply that it becomes inevitable to realize this beautiful soul inside of you, to feel how it dances within you, to feel the poetry that Shiv has written for you, to experience your life not as a human but as a soul. And this is a story which is known by all but never heard by one, which is a song sung by a soul and listened by another soul, which is a story of a girl who grows in amidst these soulful realities. And of course, I'm not giving you, give you any spoilers about this book, because this is something written from a very intentional heart. And I won't say that I have written it or my mind has written it. No, my soul has just spilled a little of energy into this book. And I personally feel a lot about this book. It's like just living through your life in a way which is more deep, more intentional. And the fact that I'm already sitting on a staircase, it's just a symbolism, a representation of what you're going to feel in this book as well. That you're climbing up in your life every moment, every second. And that's where all of us are, somewhere on this staircase. And our way is up. Never settle at the place you are, but never stop living at the place you are. And again, yeah, it's poetic, it's beautiful, it's a heart that pours love into pages. And yeah, so that's that. Let me know what you think about it. Again, explaining the title a little more, it's Descending Ascension. That means when the soul ascends, there is something that has to descend. When the light rises, there is the darkness that fades. And that's what and how life is. Might be painful, might be, unjust or unfair, might be something that evokes a lot of emotions in you. But come on, dear reader, aren't emotions all for what we live? Aren't emotions the very essence of our soul? And if you have read my work, known me for a while, then you know that for me, emotions are above logic, and intuition is the supreme most of them all. And this book is written by intuition. This book is, a dreamy stage of meditation, a trance through which some lines are written, a trance which produces some work which is intended to touch your soul. I don't want your mind to read it. I don't want your heart to interpret it. I want your soul to see who she is. I want this book to be a mirror for who you are. And trust me when I say this, You're going to find yourself, some parts of yourself which have been hurt, which have been lost, which have been forgotten by your very own mind. So that's what it is, and I hope you like it. So let me know what you think about it, and as always, keep seeking wisdom.